Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the FreshForex Broker from the TradingFinder website. Well, from the TradingFinder website, you enter the Broker's Review section, find the FreshForex Broker, and with the option to go to the website, you enter the official site of this broker. In this section, select the login and register options. Well, for this step, you need to enter a mobile number and an email address that you haven't previously registered with on this website. After entering this information, you click on the next option. In this section, we request information such as your first and last name and the code that has been sent to our email. Well, as you can clearly and evidently see, we have indeed received this email from the FreshForex Broker. And at this moment, we will proceed to enter this code. And after the verification, we click on the Open Real Account option. Well, as you can see, our account has been successfully created and we have verified our email. In the upcoming videos, we will step-by-step cover the deposit, withdrawal, and account verification sections with you. Wishing you success and profitability.